Somewhere long 80 people only been present long Tuesday, 18 November 2014, long 6 o'clock afternoon, long football field long Erakor, long area long Engis, long Erakor village town close up long Solwata, where he face him Erakor Island Resort. Emiap long witness him official launching long lighting project long sports field long Geta. Sponsorship long Unelco ya emi kam no mo follow request we come long Erakor Golden Star FC mo president long Geta Gislain Kalta.
Tonight we want a big full achievement lo community. And we want them to have big full thank you to Unelco. Lo sabe make sponsorship lo light ya lo one amount lo 2.5 million. We want big full sponsorship become lo community. First time we been got 6 light no more. And then we will have them up all extra all street light mo two more project again. So you make them around 10 lights.
Lo night today Unelco ZDF Suez and me launch electricity long field of football long Engis lo Erakor and me long club long Golden Star. So Unelco ZDF Suez and me really happy long make them one launching today.
Ol ten vala light ya mabay miel pembikuan Erakor Golden Star Football Club long ol training long ol different category long ol player long ol geta start long under 12, under 14, under 16 igo kasem o gata senior category long club ya institutional manager long Unelco Vanuatu Louis Wakanumune mi mekem tok long behalf long management long utility company ya mo imi point out say Unelco imi sponsor en plan de sports long Vanuatu emi talam se sports emi good for me stapulum together young fala e come on place long sports motu emi save help long mekem se o gata youth oli no go inside long got a big fla issue or some alcohol mo drug we mr affect them big one all young generation lo country today and me talam too say long time come EGSFC and mr production plan de all top player or some late pretty waute mo late igo long national squad chief long Erakor mi tok tang igo long Unelco GDF Suez long sponsorship long em mo tu mi top plan de long good for relationship we company mi gat with them community long Erakor
isa talam big fla tang Unelco we mi se kam mekem se today football employer Erakor we also municipal stadium and project ya emi last one I think say today Erakor with them Unelco to like a good relationship lo kata Narflat development we ipai se kam lo future.
Representative long church long Erakor village been point out say lighting project long football field ya emi one big for a blessing long Erakor Golden Star FC betu long full community long Erakor Jean-Baptiste Calo reporting for TPV News.